Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today I will show you how to add multiple stories on your Instagram profile. So in many of them have one doubt about that is possible to upload one and only story on their Instagram, but it is not fact, which means that you can add more than one stories. But how is possible? So in normal method we are taking one image or just use image from your mobile gallery and then we upload it on Instagram story section. But if you add more stories, first of all open your Instagram application. Now in this homepage section you can press that camera icon for uploading the Instagram story, and this icon is located at the almost top of left side corner, and then my mobile camera is automatically turned on. But here I try to upload the images from my mobile gallery. So here I try to press gallery icon and the first one. So it shows my entire gallery images. But if you like to add multiple photos, just press this box icon, and this icon is placed at almost top of right side corner. Now you can choose your favorite image files to upload the story section. So once your selection process is completed, finally press next option. So and then you can see in bottom it shows my sample of story images, and it has total of 4 stories. But if you like to add text or more effects, you can use this section. Otherwise you can press same next option. So finally you can click to share your existing stories to your Instagram followers, and then it shows process is completed, which means that my story is successfully shared on my timeline. But once again I try to check it if this trick is works or not. So how to check it? By simply go to your homepage section and press your profile icon, and it is pasted at the almost top of left side corner. So finally here you can see my Instagram stories are works very smoothly, and it has multiple photos. So this is the way you can easily add more than one stories on your Instagram profile. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Techans, and thanks for watching.